Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Navika Pathak and today we are going to learn a trick to subtract fraction. So let's start. Our first fraction is 5 by 7 minus 3 by 6. So first we have to multiply these numbers. 7 multiplied by 6 equals to 42. So we have to write here 42. Then we have to multiply these numbers. 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30 and 7 multiplied by 3 equals to 21. So we have to minus 21 from 30. Then we get 9 by 42. Our next action is 8 by 9 minus 2 by 3. So first we have to multiply these numbers. We get 27. Then we have to multiply these numbers. We get 24. And we have to multiply these numbers. We get 18. And we have to minus 18 from 24. So we get 6 by 27. Next fraction is 7 by 4 minus 6 by 3. So we have to multiply these numbers and we get 12. Now we have to multiply these numbers which equals to 21. And we have to multiply these numbers. We get 24. So we have to minus 21 from 24. So we get 3 by 12. And next fraction is 4 by 5 minus 1 by 4. So we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 20. Then we have to multiply these numbers. We get 5. And we have to multiply these numbers. We get 16. So we have to minus 5 from 16. Then we get 11 by 20. Our next fraction is 7 by 5 minus 5 by 8. First, we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 40. Then we have to multiply these numbers. We get 56. And we have to multiply these numbers. We get 25. Then we have to minus 25 from 56. So we get 31 by 40. Our next fraction is 9 by 4 minus 7 by 2. First we have to multiply these numbers. Then we get 8. Then we have to multiply these numbers. So we get 28. And we have to multiply these numbers. So we get 18. Then we have to minus 18 from 28. Then we get 10 by 8. So that's all for today. Hope you understood the topic. Bye. Meet you in the next video.